This Sansone stainless steel water dispenser has a gasket and airtight screw lid with convenient handles for easy transport. A removable stainless steel spigot accurately dispenses the right amount of liquid and may be removed for easy cleaning. Cleaning simply requires washing with kitchen detergent and rinsing with cold water. This unit is made from the finest available Italian 18/10 stainless steel under the best possible quality controlled conditions. All joints are tagged. Tungsten inert gas, welded to ensure completely smooth interior and exterior surfaces to prevent matter accumulation. These water dispensers add more class to your kitchen and are a perfect gift for the chef or cook who has everything. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. These stainless steel water cooler containers are also known as Italian fustis. The perfect drink dispenser with a spigot to hold all types of liquids: water, olive oil, vinegar, cocktails, tea, juices, and more. Made with 18/10 IC316 stainless steel, high-quality food-grade material that does not rust. Add this to a stand or flip a 5-gallon large water jug on the top. Great as an alcohol dispenser at parties. Number 2. Dimensions. Diameter, 14.17 inches, height, 12.6 inches, opening, 9 inches. Every water dispenser includes a 1/2 inch NSF 316 stainless steel lever spigot. Number 3. Butter welding is an economical and reliable way of joining pieces without using additional components and is often accomplished with a gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, welder, also known as tungsten inert gas, TAG. This type of welding provides stronger, higher quality welds. Number 4. NSF is the abbreviation for National Sanitation Foundation. The NSF is an independent, accredited organization who develops standards as well as test and certify products to comply with health standards. When you see the NSF mark on a product, that is a sign that it has been approved by one of the most respected independent certification organizations in the world. This seal ensures that the product complies with all standard consumable requirements. Number 5. All of these water dispensers have gone through a process known as pickling. Pickling is the removal of a thin layer of metal from the surface of stainless steel. This is to help remove weld heat-tinted layers along with surface impurities like rust and stains. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.